Welcome to this video demonstration of assembly process simulation and validation for automotive manufacturing. In this video, I will be validating an existing manufacturing assembly line design to eliminate errors and decrease the physical commissioning time. I will show how to verify robotic kinematics and paths on the line, perform reach studies to determine optimal robot locations, validate the line automation controls with the TIA, Totally Integrated Automation Portal, and analyze human ergonomics to eliminate the risk of injury to line operatives. I will start verifying this manufacturing assembly line by confirming the robot's kinematics. I can easily manipulate the robot on the screen within its range of motion, and use the robot jog to smoothly translate the joints along an axis or around a tool frame. Like robot jog, the joint jog allows me to manipulate the gripper and identify set poses, such as open and close positions. To help avoid costly mistakes later, I can use the digital twin to determine the optimal robot location that will reach all the path points. The Smart Place tool will quickly identify optimal points to place the robot in order to maintain its reach. I see the red will lead to issues and the blue will allow the robot to reach all the points on the defined path. If I need to adjust the path, I can use the manipulators to adjust the path points and then run the operation to validate the robot's path. Utilizing a digital twin allows me to reset and adjust much faster than in the real world. I need to virtually commission the electronic module assembly line. Once I have the robot path, kinematics, and location verified, I can add in the automation and an emulated PLC to virtually commission this assembly line. By going online with the PLC, I can monitor the feedback the PLC receives from the robot controller during operation. I can also toggle the simulation and then control the machine controls with a virtual HMI screen, just as the operator would in the physical world. So, this means I can virtually validate the automation controls for this electronic module assembly line to reduce commissioning time, errors, and safety issues. While it is in operation, I can jump between the Automation Engineering Platform, TIA portal, and the digital twin to test the communication between the PLC and the robot controller. Finally, I want to verify the assembly tasks for the plant workers by validating the operator can reach the intended part without causing injury. I can accomplish that by testing the assembly line with virtual human operators, verifying that their motions are ergonomically safe. Tools such as the grasp envelope illustrate how far they can safely reach to accomplish their tasks. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.